Hello, the Chef George from the Even by George Company Catering. Today let's cook the fillet tips, beef fillet tips. It's beautiful and delicious. Ingredients will be salt, oregano, pepper, garlic, mushrooms, onion in juliennes, and peppers in juliennes. I use 3 colors of pepper, but you can use 1 color if you like, or whatever, you know. And for sure the beef is the beef strips. This recipe is for 4 people. The first step, like usually I told you, is salt and pepper, the meats, the chicken, the fish, anything that you prepare. And we mix everything and massage. We need to take flavor in the meat already. First of all, 1 spoon of olive oil in the fry pan to salt the meat. We add the meat now. We start to salt the meat at hot fire, high, very fire. When the meat is set already, we add the mushrooms. And now we start to cook together the mushrooms. This meat is very tender because it's a fillet tip, and when you add the ingredients, will be very, very tender, fast, will be nice. We continue with the peppers. We mix everything together, peppers and mushrooms in this case. We add the garlic, laminated garlic. Already smell like sky. It's incredible, guys. After 2 minutes, we continue julienne onion. We continue mix everything when we add the onions. In this case, a little more salt and a little more pepper. And finally, we add the oregano, dry oregano. Now it smells beautiful. After 15 minutes cooking all together, look how delicious is the beef now. Made the presentation for the client. This preparation is for my client for more than 10 years, and he loves demi-glace sauce. And he told me, George, put on top demi-glace sauce. Look how beautiful now is with the demi-glace sauce. I hope that you enjoy, share, like. Your comments are very important for us. We made any kind of event with any kind of food. Thank you so much.